Welcome back to this week's styling series. Today we share our love of cosy spaces and how to create one in your home. Finding a room or a corner in your home where you can truly unwind and relax is essential to well-being. Ideally, the space should be uncluttered and calming, allowing the mind to rest or to be able to enjoy uninterrupted time with your favourite book or hobby. Lighting plays a major role in mood, so adding soft floor, table or candlelight is essential to set the tone for relaxation. Other lighting choices include hurricanes and lanterns. Task lighting and soft LED lighting is excellent for accenting your favourite pieces. Pairing time-worn timber furniture, antique brass hardware and handcrafted ceramics adds natural tactile textures and a casual laid-back feeling that really encourages time out. In cooler months, have layers of throws in sheepskin and chunky nets at the ready. Add to the coziness with feather-filled cushions of velvet, faux fur and softened linens to cocoon yourself. These are both comforting visually and to the touch. Adding rugs and mats in wool and natural fibres to your living, bedroom, bathroom and alfresco spaces adds warmth and comfort underfoot. As always, the 5 L's on design are to be kept in mind when accessorising. Adding something living, something with lustre, and something that is loved really adds soul and a sense of nostalgia to your space. Hygge is a Danish word to describe living well. There are many ways to define this, but my favourite is taking pleasure from the presence of soothing things. Things that give you a feeling of being home, where we feel safe and the outside world is left behind, even but for a moment. It could be a warm bath, time spent by an open fire with your favourite drink, playing board games or enjoying your craft project or hobby. Simply spending time in a space that brings you joy. In warmer months, find comfort in nature by enjoying a well laid out picnic at the end of a walk, fruit picking, foraging, or painting on plein air. There are many gentle, mindful and relaxing ways to spend time in nature that will give you that soothing feeling. We hope you enjoy finding your cosy space, and remember, when creating a space you love, the beauty is in the detail.